So here we are, May the 17th. It is a Monday, and I'll have to put on screen when I started these off. So basically I just wet a paper towel, threw in the sunflower seeds, and there we go. One of them has just started right there, but look at all of these. That one there, nope, not yet. So we've got three there. One of them, yeah, the one of them looks dead. But anyway, look at this. These are all ready to go. So I've just got some regular just garden soil. So I'm going to get those planted. You can see how easily they start in just wet paper towel. So wet the paper towel, fold it over, and then make sure you've got some plastic wrap or a baggie, and then just lock it in there. Anyway, I'll put on screen how many days this was. Very impressive, actually, how quickly it took. Anyway, that's it for this one. All right, I wasn't going to film anymore, but let's just get a little look at what they look like. So there they are. So we are, what, May the 17th, 2021. That one there I've still got to cover up. I just want to make sure that root is covered up, but don't cover up the actual upper part of the plant. That looks good. I'll give it a little bit of water later on, but that's it for this video. So that looks good. Yeah, I'm happy with the success rate. There's one more in there. I'm going to close these up and just let them go. And if if a couple of them come to life, I'll do another little mini video on that. So anyway, there we go. That's cool.